guys getting to Mexico?
So what are you guys, friends? Brothers? What are you, faggots? Is that what it is? You flaming lovers, huh?
You'll have to excuse him. Let's start with your name, son. Let's start there. I can't help you if you don't help me help you.
He needs something to eat, something hot to drink.
My God, it speaks English.
Frank, make yourself useful. Go get him something to eat. Can't hear myself think around that guy half the time. What's your name?
Jian-Wa Chang. This is my brother Wago.
You from Thailand? Hong Kong? Vietnam?
China. The People Republic.
Why'd you come here?
Freedom.
Excuse me if I sound suspicious, but we hear that an awful lot around here. I need more.
There's no more. We just want to be free.
You look like two men with a long story to tell. When you get ready to tell it, I'll be ready to listen.
Yeah, I hear you. You go en serio. Mira, escúchame. What are you carrying? Sí, you know.
Fish.
Two little chinkies. Two little chinkies. Two stinky chinkies.
Look at those little yellow bastards.
You understand me, Slope? You understand English?
Billion of them over there, taking over the world. That's what you think, huh? Dink.
Hit me, you fat little punk.
Welcome to America.
Boys.
Oh, that was excellent. Have a seat.
Holy... Oh, my God. Hot damn! Hot damn! Hot damn! Oh, yeah. Hot damn!
He's back. He's back there, fella.
把钱都拿出来了，他们严肃，一切无事。难道他们要把我们送回去吗？
Not to Baja, they won't if they send you back to China.
What should we do?
I'll be out of here soon. Till then, shut up. In this country, they can't hang you with what you don't say.
How you got out of Saigon?
My father was a Marine in Vietnam. That made me a U.S. citizen, black Vietnamese, but a citizen. It took him 10 years to get me and my mother out. When we finally got here, he left us.
Johnson, Fuqua.
Yeah, it's me. You guys need work? I'm at 224 Hindrew Street. You got that? 224 Hindrew? That's for Fuqua. Good luck.